Kaseng National People Party jong Kameglia State Unit menta kasi ka shitarik ubnai nailur kala penlong ke jelang ban kenmau burom ye kelengku sikha ke banyok sau jong nongseng ye ke party ulit Purno sangma kabala penlong hapo ka office trekam jong ka halasumya na kaliang ke Dr. Mehtap sangma ka badairu ka National General Secretary jong ka NPP badaipe ye ka Women's Wing ka badairu ka kurim jong menteri rangba ka jela habakren hakani ke jelang kenmau burom ye kelengku sikha jong Purno sangma kalau ong ba ka jingklat no jong ba Purno kalong ka jingdu kabakraw ya party namar bawdai nongseng hakasan hima sima.
As we gather here to commemorate the birth anniversary of our dear leader and my late father-in-law, late P.A. Sangma, I would like to pay my respect and tribute to him for all he has done for the entire city and for the entire region and for our state. He was a visionary and a man of principles and one of the tallest leaders from the Northeast amongst the tribal state and region. With many achievements at hand and contributions in many fields for the upliftment of our society, yet he was still a symbol of humility and charisma. We really miss our dear leader. During his later parts of his political career, the National People's Party was born, along with a few loyal aides by his side. And I would like to mention the names whom I remember, because I was not active in the party then, but I could still see them coming to our place and discussing about the formation of the party. So our dear leader, W.R. Khaduki was there, Uncle Babet was there, Kong Toy was there, and of course Ajit and other leaders. So they were all there along with him, and now we have come this far. And we still have a very long way to go and many needs to be done. But still we have very much challenges ahead of us. No journey is easy, but when we stick together as a family, we will have nothing to fear. And the party is at its nascent stage and needs to be nurtured and given a very strong base. Yet in spite of it all, we have come this far and established ourselves as a national party, which very few parties are able to do from the Northeast. And this would not have been possible without all of you being part of the party. Hence a big thank you to all of you for sticking by the party and holding it together no matter what the contributions are, and we will go a long way.
National General Secretary ka NPP James K Sangma badairu khun jong Purno sangma hakaju ko por bawdairu menteri sarkar jela ulong bakum ka party ki kenmau burom ye babon kisniang ki bolano nakabanta ban penklaim patlu ban peniar ka party hakar jela bat kumjuru sakwe pat ki jela kari India. James lopan paru ka jingkemen bak NPP menta klayo ka jingithu kum ka National Party hapo kari India wat lada ya ka dang seng house nam arjar khadan hakani sila don langru MP ka Raja Sabha uba WR Kharuki lemmat ki wede kinong yelam khmat jong ka party.
We do miss him a lot, our founder, because for each and every one of us, it wasn't just him as the president of the NPP. It wasn't just as a former speaker of the Lok Sabha, a very, very tall political leader. But for each and every one of us, he was our mentor. He was our inspiration, and all of us, I'm very sure, really sorely miss him, and we remember him today with a lot of fondness. So many memories that all of us, each and every one of us must be having individually, that we today remember and we cherish. Dear friends, today, as we all know, the NPP as a party, we do not really have a fixed foundation day, a day wherein the NPP was founded. There are many different days wherein many meetings took place, but there is a lot of ambiguity in terms of what exactly was our foundation day. Therefore, it was decided in the past that by our present national president, Mr. Conrad Sangma, that we will be along with the birth anniversary of our late leader. The 1st of September will be also marked as the foundation day of the NPP. And today I would like to congratulate and wish each and every one of our party leaders who are present here a very, very happy foundation day of the NPP. We remember his life, his contributions, we celebrate that, and we also acknowledge the kind of values, the ideology and the philosophy that he passed down for the party today, which has made our party having these strong foundation, the very foundations which will take our party forward, the very foundations which binds us, all of us, each of us as a family. Today it's not just a political party, but all of us have that kind of a bonding which is that of a family. And this foundation, this ideology was based on not just love for the nation, not just love for its people, not just the selfless dedication to work for that, but also always to keep in mind that we must progress and we must move forward with principles.